Can sneeze be the reason for your death? Can a massive sneeze kill you? Well, the answer to this is yes. We digged out a few such real-life stories of people who either died or majorly suffered due to an unfortunate sneeze. Liam Andrews, 17-year-old teenager, died due to brain hemorrhage that caused due to sneezing. This is seriously dreadful. Married Victoria Kenny was crippled for nearly 2 years after sneezing. But the good news is that Kenny is completely fine now and her life is back on track. This one is sure to leave you stunned. Kathleen Thornley, young teenager, was discovered with a disease wherein she sneezed 12,000 times a day. That's simply awful. One such constantly sneezing disease was also found in an American granny who sneezed 21 times in a minute, and she had absolute no control over it. Sneezing can prove to be very dangerous. If you sneeze too hard, it might even fracture your rib. Also, if you try to sneeze keeping your eyes open, like many out there have already posted videos on YouTube taking it to be a fun act, you will be shocked to know that sneezing with open eyes might lead to eye popping out, because the pressure in which a sneeze generates in your body is 176 mmHg. And folks, you can't risk it. You might have not even thought about the disastrous effects of sneezing, but there is a way to stay away from the adverse effects of sneezing. If your sneezing is due to a stuffy nose, peppermint oil's antibacterial properties can help. Fennel has natural antibiotics and antiviral properties that can fight off an upper respiratory infection, including sneezing. The most commonly found ingredient at your place is pepper. And guess what? It is one of the remedy for regular sneezing. So we hope you have liked our video and it has proved to be useful for you. So do like, subscribe and share our videos for there's more such interesting stuff coming your way.